Quite recently, I picked up a new pastime. I became fascinated watching my son build these tiny blocks into fabulous pieces. So, I wanted to do the same thing while I was not so preoccupied with work. These intricate blocks are no joke. Doing them was a test of patience. In my 11 years as a dance teacher in Singapore, I still find my job exciting, fulfilling, and fun. Don't get me wrong, my work sometimes may not be pleasing. There are highs and lows. But the moment I step into our dance studio, there's this spark that always ignites. Every time I see my students having fun, enthusiastic, and so eager to learn and dance. My job isn't always easy, as many dance teachers can relate. We work our brains and bodies, but there's never a time my heart became ungrateful for being a dance teacher. Most especially that I am working side by side with my husband, Ronald. Yes, I love my job and I can never ask for another job as an educator. The temporary machine is here kasi nasira yung ginagamit namin. So, kailangan palitan for the meantime para may magamit. Ito na yung pahiram sa amin ng Nespresso. So, yan muna ang gagamitin namin habang tinitingnan nila kung ano yung mali dun sa isang machine. I like it. It's red. I make sure that our bedding stays fresh and clean by changing the bed sheets every 2 weeks. And now is the time because it's our day off. On my days off, I always do laundry to make sure that clothes are washed weekly. If not, sobrang tatambak lahat ng labada namin. We pass by the hawker center to have Shendol, craving satisfied. It's always a great idea to unwind and enjoy the nature. Someone's excited for the claw machine.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Okay, isa pa, last one. Ano kaya? Ito na lang.
Go for it, go! Out with you!
Our dietary supplements from Purest Company are here. I always order the collagen. This helps improve my skin barriers. It helped me manage my eczema as well because my skin is less dry and itchy. That's what I feel every time I drink this product. And we have Sicilian orange drink. It is good for digestion with slimming effect as well. And of course, Ashwa lychee. This is proven to improve sleep quality. I highly recommend these products and I use it myself and it's really effective.
Yes, I'm going to do unboxing. Lahat in-unboxing namin for the content. Ayan. Kung ano man ito. Ayan.
Surprise kayo dyan. Surprise.
Wow! Ito sila yung nag-unboxing. Wow! 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 Puro bagay sabi. Wow! Meron na kaming bagong strainer. Yan. So, mahilig po kami magluto ng pasta. Yan. Dito po namin i-strain yung pasta. Pagka nalagaan nyo na, dyan nilagay yung pasta. As kagad mo na nilagay. Yan. Tapos ito naman, pagka kunwari, yung sibuyas. Gusto yung i-mince. Yan. Lagay yung sibuyas. Pag-ikutin nyo yan.
Ano pag salad gusto mo?
Pag salad din, ito. Lagay mo yung salad dyan. Aalisin mo to. May tama. Ngayon naman, pag meron kayong salad, di ba dapat dry ang salad? Aalisin nyo ito. Lagay nyo yung salad dito sa loob. Ganyan. Gusto nyo. Yan. Yan yung process nito. O, let's see kung kahiwalan. Yung si Nana. Nana. Yun.
Hello guys, so today is my me time. I have an appointment for a hair treatment and haircut at Kimage, so I left home early. That's why I managed to be with Roland on his way to school. They already washed my hair and I am now doing a treatment to strengthen my scalp and hair due to recent excessive hair fall. This is my first visit to Kimage and I am impressed. The service by the graduate stylist is affordable compared to other salons, making it a great deal for the price. After the treatment, my scalp feels healthy and my hair is light and bouncy. The stylist did a wonderful job. I got very hungry after my hair appointment. That's why I'm bringing you to Sushi Go before I head to work. So, ito na lang. Kain na lang tayo. Siyempre, sa Singapore life, hindi mawawala ang bonding with friends. And bonding over food is the greatest.
I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing, miss a
So fortunate to meet people who eventually became our close friends here in Singapore. I'm so grateful because even though we've only known them for a while, it feels like we have shared almost all our lives together. We laugh, we cry, we giggle, we get angry, frustrated, and sometimes complain about, but we stick together. Maybe that's our way of strengthening our relationship and coping in Singapore. Forever, I am grateful to have these people around me and my family, and I pray that the bond will continue until our lifetime. Of course, bonding with Dad is the best. Our favorite go-to is Natureland, where we have our body therapy. Thank you so much for watching our vlog and for joining us until the end. We hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and like our channel, and you can put some comments down below. And press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you!